அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Welcome all my brothers and sisters. Today we will discuss the topic for rivers in India. This topic is most important topic for all competitive exams. So don't skip this video. Try to watch entire video. After watching this video, you will get more information from this video. And this is the part 2 video. Part 1 video has already been uploaded and the part 3 video will be uploaded soon. Subscribe our YouTube channel Time to Save. If you are interested to join our Facebook and Telegram channel means links are available in description box. This is the part 1 video. First question, which of the following rivers flows from India to Pakistan? This question is very important question. Just click pause button, try to answer. Answer, Sutlej river. Sutlej river flows from India to Pakistan. There are 5 rivers. There are 5 rivers flows from India to Pakistan. Which rivers? Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi and Sutlej. These 5 rivers flows from India to Pakistan. And what is the another name of Sutlej river? Sutlej river. What is the another name of Sutlej river? Sutlej river. And what is the tributary of Indus river? Sutlej river is the one of the tributary of Indus river. And Bhakra Dam is built around the river Sutlej. Bhakra Dam is built around the river Sutlej. The source of Sutlej river is from Mount Kailas, Tibet. The source of Sutlej river is from Mount Kailas, Tibet. And this question is very important question. How many rivers flows from India to Pakistan? There are 5 rivers flows from India to Pakistan. These are the 5 rivers. Next question. River Sutlej enters India through which pass? Answer, Sipkhila Pass. And Sipkhila Pass is a mountain pass and a border post on the India-Tibet border. And it is located in which state? Himachal Pradesh. Next question. Which of the following rivers flows through the Rift Valley in India? This question is very important question. Which of the following rivers flows through the Rift Valley in India? Answer, Narmada river. There are 3 rivers. There are 3 rivers in India which flows through the Rift Valley rivers. That is Damodar river, Dabhi river and Narmada river. Dabhi river means or Dabdi river. Both are same. There are 3 rivers flows through the Rift Valley of India. That is Damodar river, Dabdi river and Narmada river. Next question. This question is very important question. Note it. On which river bank Statue of Unity is built? On which river bank Statue of Unity is built? Answer, Narmada river. The Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue with a height of 182 meters, that is 597 feet. The Statue of Unity in India is the world's tallest statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He is called as Iron Man of India. This river, this statue is located on which state? Gujarat state. India on Narmada river. This statue constructed by L&T, that is Laser and Turbo. The constructed on river island named Sadhubet. Sadhubet river island is Sadhubet and the river is Narmada river. These 2 questions are very important question. Statue of Unity is located on which river? Narmada river. Is located on which island? Sadhubet island. This is designed by Ram V. Sudhar and it is inaugurated on 31st October 2018 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. This question is also important question. He is also called as Iron Man of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is also called as Iron Man of India. Next question. Subscribe our YouTube channel Time to Save. If you are interested to join our Facebook and Telegram channel means links are available in description box. This video is already made in our YouTube channel Natural Boundaries of India. Next question. Tropic of Cancer. does not pass from which of this Indian state? This question is also very important question. Tropic of Cancer does not passes from which of this Indian state? Answer, Bihar. Tropic of Cancer is an imaginary line that is at angle of 23.5 degree. Tropic of Cancer passes through 17 countries and India is one of them. There are 8 states crosses in Tropic of Cancer, that is Mizoram, Tripura, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Gujarat. These 8 states crosses the Tropic of Cancer line. Next question. Which among the following river originate in Pirpanjal range near Rontech Pass? Which river originated in Pirpanjal range? Answer, Beas river originated in Pirpanjal range. This question is important question. The Beas river rises from Pirpanjal range near the Rontech Pass around 260 km in Himachal Pradesh before entering Punjab. Next question. Which of the following is not a tributary of Ganga river? Your answer? Answer, Musi. Musi river is not a tributary of Ganga because it is tributary of Krishna river. See, what are the tributaries of Ganga river? Yamuna, Ramganga, Gomdi, Gangra, San, Gadak, Kosi. These are all the rivers are tributary of Ganga river. See, these columns belongs to list of rivers and these columns belongs to major tributaries. Indus river, tributaries of Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and Satluj. Similarly, Godavari river, Ganga river, Yamuna and Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, Kaveri, Narmada. These are all the major tributaries. And Krishna, Chambal, Damodar, Ravi, Dabdi, Jhelum. These are all the river. Just click pause button. Musi river is the tributary of Krishna river. Musi river is the tributary of Krishna river. Depends on your state. This type of questions are important. Depends on your state. This type of question is important. And who are all preparing for SSC CGL exam and UPSC exam? This type of question is important. Who are all preparing for SSC CGL exam, UPSC exam? This type of question is very important question. And next question. Periyar river originates from Sivagiri Hills. Periyar river originates from Sivagiri Hills. Periyar river is the longest river in Kerala and its length is 244 km. It originates from Sivagiri Hills. And Mullai Periyar Dam constructed on Periyar river. This question is very important question. Mullai Periyar Dam is constructed on which river? Periyar river. The Mullai Periyar Dam constructed by John Pinukik. Mullai Periyar Dam constructed by John Pinukik. Next question. Which river is the longest tributary in India? This question is very important question. Which river is the longest tributary in India? Answer, Yamuna river is the longest tributary in India. And Yamuna river is the one of the tributary of Ganga river. Next question. What is the river Ganga called in Bangladesh? River Ganga called in Bangladesh? Patma. The part of river Ganga which flows into Bangladesh is known as Batma. The river that flows near the Taj Mahal. This question is very important question. Which river flows near the Taj Mahal? Which river flows near the Taj Mahal? Answer, Yamuna river flows near the Taj Mahal. Next question. Which of the following is west flowing river in India? Which of the following river is west flowing river in India? Answer, Saraswati river. Remaining rivers are east flowing river. See, this is the west flowing river of peninsular India, that is Narmada, Dabri, Luni, Sarvadi, Mahi, Dava, Sabarmati. These rivers are west flowing river, that is it's drain into Arabian Sea. North, south, east, west. These rivers are drains into Arabian Sea. These are all the east flowing river, that is it flows drains into Bay of Bengal. East flowing rivers. What are the east flowing rivers? Mahanadi, Kaveri, Godavari, Krishna, Brahmani, Mahanadi, Tungabhadra, etc. These are all the rivers are finally enters in Bay of Bengal. Next question. Which of the following cities is known as City of Lakes? Which of the following cities is known as City of Lakes? Just click pause button, try to answer. Answer is Udaipur. Udaipur city is called as City of Lake and it is located in state of Rajasthan. Subscribe our YouTube channel Time to Save. If you are interested to join our Facebook and Telegram channel means links are available in description box. Type in comment section this video is useful or not. Type in comment section this video is useful or not. Your feedback is always welcome. Next question. On which bank of river Ahmedabad is situated? On which bank of river Ahmedabad is situated? Answer Sabarmati river. These columns belongs to Indian cities and these columns belongs to rivers. If you are preparing for NTPC exam, RRB NTPC exam, SSC CGL level exam, UPSC exam, this type of question is very important question. If you study in higher level exam, this type of question is very important. Indian cities and these columns belongs to rivers. Agra, river cross Yamuna, and Ahmedabad, Sabarmati. Delhi, Yamuna, Hyderabad, Musi river. Kanpur, Ganga, Lucknow, Gomdi river. Nasik, Godavari, Patna, Ganga. Tiruchirappalli, Kaveri, Varanasi, Ganga, Srinagar, Jhelum. These questions are very important questions. Next question. Which river is called as Lion's Mouth? Which river is called as Lion's Mouth? Indus river is called as Lion's Mouth. Indus river is called as Lion's Mouth. What are the two head streams of Ganga? What are the two head streams of Ganga? Bhagirathi and Alakananda. Bhagirathi and Alakananda are the two head streams of Ganga. Bhagirathi rises in Gangotri Glacier. Similarly, Alakananda originates in Sadopnath Glacier. Next question. The term dope means what? The land between two rivers. Dope means the land between two rivers. Which among the following is not one of the three whose interplay is responsible for the formation of northern plains? Not in northern plains. River Godavari. Remaining three are northern plains, Godavari are southern plains. See, Godavari is the second longest river after Ganga and it is termed as Ganga of South. Which river is called Ganga of South? Godavari river is called as Ganga of South. Remaining Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra leads to formation of northern plain. This Godavari river's formation of southern plain. Next question. What is the total length of Brahmaputra river? What is the total length of Brahmaputra river? Answer 2900 km. What is the another name of Brahmaputra river? Tasanpo Brahmaputra. And Indus river system total length 3180 km. Length in India 1114 km. And similarly Ganga river total length 2510 km. 2510 km. And Narmada river length 1312 km. This type of question asked in your state level exam. Depends on your state. This type of question is very important. Depends on your state. This type of question is very important. Dabdi River total length 724 km and Kaveri River total length 805 km. Krishna River total length 1400 km. Next question, which is the oldest dam in India? This question is very important question. Which is the oldest dam in India? Kallanai Dam is the oldest dam in India. If you are interested to say something, type in comment section. This video is useful or not. Type in comment section. Your feedback is always welcome. This video is useful or not. Already part 1 video uploaded in our YouTube channel. This is the part 2 video and part 3 video will be uploaded soon. Totally 3 parts video in river section. Part 1 video has already uploaded and this is the part 2 video and part 3 video will be uploaded soon. Type in comment section this video is useful or not. See, oldest dam in India, Kallanai Dam, and it is located in Tamil Nadu. Longest dam in India, Hirakud Dam. It is located in Odisha. Highest dam in India, Terry Dam. Terry Dam is the highest dam in India. It's located in Uttarakhand. Subscribe our YouTube channel Time to Save. If you are interested to join our Facebook and Telegram channel means links are available in description box. Type in comment section this video is useful or not. Your feedback is always welcome. Thank you.